Hey everybody, I'm here today to do an unboxing and review of this Apocabox. This is actually the April 2019 Apocabox, and if you don't know, the Apocabox is a survival-based subscription box, okay? Now, with this Apocabox, there are contents inside of it that are based on the idea of survival. They're survival items. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm going to place the box down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the little table of contents right here, and it tells me exactly everything that's in the Apocabox, and I'm going to go ahead and use this to actually guide this unboxing. So the first thing is actually a vehicle visor. So I'm going to place this over here, and I'll take everything out of the Apocabox. Now, I've already opened it up and checked out the stuff because I wanted to do a good job with this video, okay? A little Easter egg. If you look earlier on in the video, you'll see one of my coworkers walked and actually waved at the camera through that back window. You can check that out if you want. I won't tell you when it happened, but it was earlier on in this video. So we have a vehicle visor right here. Now what this is essentially a thing that you place on top of the visor of your vehicle. So you can attach it to the visor of your vehicle, and inside of it there are many different pockets, and you can store your survival items in those pockets, which is great because you don't know when you're going to be in a survival situation. So you're better off being prepared, and you can keep a wide variety of survival items in this little visor storage unit right here. And you can also keep some regular stuff that you want to keep in your car. It doesn't only have to be survival stuff. The next thing on the list is actually the slide winder razor knife. This is one of the coolest things in the box, and I'll pull it out right now. As you can see right here, this is a slide winder razor knife. Now, it's just simply basically like a little bit of a razor knife, a sharp edge razor knife, but check this out. Slides up, locks into place, and then releases just like that. You can see the sliding action right there, just like that, which is really convenient because, you know, it's nice and stored away like that. Whenever you need to use it, you slide it up, you use it, and then it just retracts. I've had a lot of different knives like this. This is one of the smoothest movements that I've ever seen in one of these knives. The next thing is the Acme 649 survival whistle. This whistle is extremely loud, okay? I've actually used one of these before. Extremely loud. And if you look on it, it actually says used by the US Coast Guard and NATO over there, made in the UK, which is absolutely great. But then there's somewhere here it says, warning, very loud. Use ear protection for prolonged use. So if you're planning on using this for a while, for prolonged use, definitely use ear protection, okay? It's always good to have a survival whistle, and the louder the better, because you never know what volume you're actually going to need. The next thing is the 1 liter emergency water storage and solar disinfection bag. This is it right here. You can see one of the coolest things that I've ever seen. One of the most useful, practical things that I've ever seen. Look at how packageable it is. Look at how thin it is. Really thin. What you do is you actually put water inside of it. It fits up to 1 liter of water, as you can see right here. And then you store it in the sun, and the sun will disinfect that water. Now, it doesn't remove chemicals and stuff like that. It doesn't filter the water. It disinfects the water, as it says right there. And it's also good because you can use it to store water, to carry water while the sun is disinfecting it. Very convenient, very, very simple. On the back, it has instructions. It shows like in full sun, it'll take 6 hours. Partial sun, it'll take 6 hours. You know, like cloudy day, 24 hours, and in rain, you know, it gives you various timelines of how long you need to keep it out in order to make it work. The next thing is the UV pack light. Okay, let me tell you about this. This is so cool. You charge it up in an extremely short amount of time, and then it illuminates for a long time. Literally, and look at how thin it is. At first I was confused as to what it was, but it just provides you with just enough light to illuminate a little bit of the area that you're working with. I mean, it's not gonna be like a flashlight, but it gives you just enough light to illuminate the area. So let's say, you know, you're in a tent and you're camping, you put this on the ground, it'll give you just enough light to sort of operate and work your way around things. And it charges up really quickly, and it lasts a long time, and it keeps charging, recharging. Like, it's really cool because it doesn't have a battery, so it just keeps working. Really awesome. Moving forward to the next thing, which is the Indestructible stainless straw set. Check this out, okay? Now, obviously, for the environment, we don't want to be using straws that we're throwing away, number one. But number two, for a survival situation, if your straw breaks, if it bends, if it cracks, it's pretty much useless. Now, what you have here is an indestructible stainless straw set. Listen to that. And then you have this little cleaner to sort of clean the stainless steel straws, okay? The stainless straws. Very convenient, very awesome. You know, you put these in your bag. They don't take up much space. You can, you know, put the water in there, disinfect the water in the bag, and then use the stainless straws to drink it, and then clean them after. Like, I like this because it's sort of an all-in-one type of Apocabox where they give you pretty much everything that you need. Moving forward is actually tactical trauma shears. Now, check this out, okay? As soon as I see these, all I think is like, emergency situation, someone is in an emergency in the hospital. You know those hospital shows, those doctor shows? Cut them up! You cut the shirt off, blah, blah, blah. You know, you do your work like that. You cut off whatever you need to cut off to do your work. Now, these are obviously most useful in terms of trauma because they have the protective guard over here. So what that's going to do is that's going to help you protect from cutting anything you don't want to cut, okay? So, you know, in terms of trauma, they're very good, very durable. Like, we're talking about extremely durable, great scissors for trauma, okay? Emergency situations, you're going to need these. I would include them in my first aid kit, to be honest with you. It's as simple as that. Moving forward, we actually have the Pocket Field Guide, Urban Survival Weapons. I love these Pocket Field Guides. I actually have a little collection of all of the Pocket Field Guides that I got from the Apocaboxes that I've received. And they're all useful. They all have different, you know, uses for them. Great little, mini little booklets. You can read them quickly, and they teach you so much. That's why I like them. It's really a good bang for your buck. You read them quickly, and they teach you a ton of stuff. Moving forward to the last thing on the list, which is really, really cool. It's actually the Jolly Rancher Last Ditch Shiv. So I was confused when I saw some Jolly Ranchers in this Apocabox. I was like, what? I guess we're going to eat the Jolly Ranchers. They're really cool. But what it actually is a little survival challenge for you to use this mold and the Jolly Ranchers along with a very specific method to create like a shiv from this mold with the Jolly Ranchers. Because as you can see, they're hard candy. When you melt them down in a certain way and then let them harden up again, well, guess in this form, guess what? You now have a new tool. Very simple. And that's basically it. I really hope you've enjoyed this little unboxing and review of the April 2019 Apocabox. This is the Blackout 2.0. And if you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.